drill. Oh, never mind. False alarm.
$5 on that.
This?
Yep.
Success. What's up, internet? Thank you for clicking on today's video. We're going to a couple of flea markets. We're going to hunt for some video games. We're going to find some toys. Let's go. Morning, Charlie. What are you asking on the PS4?
$60.
60? It's not bad.
I don't know if there's another controller or not. You have to look in the box that's over on the ground there. The gray one. The Halloween stuff.
So there might be more in another box.
The box for the Halloween stuff.
Okay. Let's see. Yep, there's another controller. Looking doctor. Any other video game stuff today?
Not yet.
Okay. I'll grab this. You said 60?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice, quick flips way to start the day, I guess. Better than coming up empty-handed here, which is what it was looking like.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What are you asking on the games?
I was asking, I had them listed $80 just for everything, but made me an offer.
Think about that. Are these all chases?
Yeah, those are all chases.
Oh. Shock.
I feel bad now. She don't have a She's gonna say, she's like, I'll show you this one before here. I'll show you one second too, but hold on. It's interesting. Yeah. That one I thought they might do like that. Oh, it's funny. Don't be anyone out. Me looking. You got there before I get you, little shit. I saw him over there too. I saw you going like, oh, look at this, man. There you go.
What are you asking on the game stuff down here?
Huh? I was doing the whole box for 100. Or if you want something separate, you can just show me.
What would you want for these two?
Huh? 50 and 10.
$5 on that.
This?
Yep.
So a few thoughts on the Ronin Warriors. I always told myself that I needed these for my collection, right? But they're one of those toy lines that came with so many individual parts that conceptually getting them complete has to be the best way to get them, because otherwise you're just going to have, like, let's take a look. For instance, I don't remember any of the characters' names, it's been a really long time. This guy's missing a shoulder pad. His helmet's in here. Nobody has their weapon. You know, but for $5 for the bag, I guess I can't complain, other than, you know, the complaining I'm doing right now. You don't want this one?
No.
Yeah, it's alright though.
What are you asking on the Transformer stuff?
You want the box for me?
Yeah.
How about 45?
45. Should do 40?
I know.
Sure.
Right. Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna gamble. But for 40, I'll probably be okay. No idea what this is. But you got Optimus Primal Transmetal. Theoretically could be better shape than the one I own. Thought I'd make it deeper than 2 in before I'd get stumped on someone's name. Don't know what this is. Once again, don't know who this is. Then we got Transmetal 2 Dinobot, or Dinobot 2, I don't remember. Transmetal Rat Trap, which honestly, he has the tail. It's just his chrome on his tires is kind of shot. So this will probably still look pretty good on my shelf. It'll probably be a keeper. Not sure who this is. Didn't make the show, I imagine. Some form of older Transformer, possibly missing the head, possibly with the head hidden. Not sure. Probably like Inferno or something. I have no clue. Random accessories to things. A rock accessory. It's weird. I think this is Scorponok from one of the newer lines. Picked him up before. Seems to be in okay shape. Don't see anything missing off the bat. I've sold this guy. Can't remember what his name is. Also another newer one. We can call this segment I don't know Transformers as well as I think I did. This one I had as a kid. Oh, this one's wet. Lovely. apparently this whole box is a little soaked. This one got the most of it. But I do remember how to transform them. That's the thing with your childhood Transformers, is you generally remember how they go. So, do I remember his name? Hell no. I just know he looked like a hammerhead bird, so I thought that was always cool. This will probably be a keep. Don't know what these would be. Transmetal pterosaur, I imagine. Very, very loose joints, very wobbly arms. Not sure who this would be. So let me know how you think I did. 40 bucks. Would you have done it? I think I'll be okay. Heading into the trunk. This is going to be basically day 2 of this video. I have been trying to kind of keep each video to like one flea market, not do it old weekend adventure and video game hunting style, but I didn't really feel like there was much to see from yesterday, so let's add it all together. Remember these little things? Man, if these were Mighty Max, how cool would that be? Foreshadowing.
Nobody.
Ladybug.
Bring all your crap.
Hey, you're asking on us. Ladybug.
That's a ladybug. 10?
Sure. Do you know if they're all in there?
They are. Okay, let me clarify. I put my 10-year-old in charge of checking, so the 10-year-old says they are.
All right. Well, let's trust them for now.
Right?
Half a video game. This is not a drill. Oh, never mind. False alarm.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this laughing.
Hit him somewhere.
I think I'm gonna get
Make sure you connect it. I'm gonna go try and see him. I don't know.
Games are $1. So I'm gonna go do that Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. You know, we've got work for me. But come tear up this porch. If no one comes with me to take me 3 days instead of 2, I'll make more money. You know? It's just easier managing that stuff. 2 people so you don't get hurt. How you doing, Joe? I mean, I just don't want to get hurt while doing it. If I have to, I'll do it by myself. This would have been a job for this. Yeah, it is. Wouldn't have that.
You got 50 on the speed racer.
Okay. Okay.
He doesn't have to.
Remember the Furbies? That was a big craze too.
Oh yeah. Oh, I never collect them, but like.
Most of anything loose in there that you see is $3.
Okay.
If you find anybody in there.
What the hell is this?
Stuff seems like we can't sell that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know if you have any like the rugby polos and like a large?
Yeah, it would be in there.
Sorry there.
For the full effect. Where's it?
Oh, jeez. Alright. I'll grab these three.
Alright, cool, man.
Greatest little toys press you could ever have.
Yeah.
10 bucks for the film.
Do you know if the little Mighty Max playset's complete?
No, I don't. I think one of them has. I think
there's
there's
the
a
max
guy in it. Yeah, I don't. There's this. Actually, maybe these only came with one. These were the smaller sets.
Yeah.
So it does have. This one does. That one does not. This one has something
on that one.
I do $10 for it with the guy.
Sure, I'll grab that.
Cool.
So the
I think this one might.
the Star Wars versions of Mighty Max.
Yes.
There's a few aisles over. I was just like,
Oh,
"Man,
the
that'd be really
little
cool to
baby
see."
ones.
It's like Greedo's face.
Oh, like the Bib Fortuna one.
yeah.
Yeah. Those are actually kind of cool. Yeah, they're alright. I mean, they were
I'm so
cheap.
sour on Star Wars. Right now.
Yeah,
It's just
no,
not even
understandable, dude. I mean,
care. It's like I can't even care anymore.
I can totally understand. I feel like it was pumped out so much. You know, never-ending amount of stuff.
And I was a defender when they started making the new shit.
Yeah,
Now
you
I
were a
feel-
defender?
I feel like a jackass to
Oh,
my friends
dude.
now. Thank you.
I mean, yeah, it's they gave it a bad name. I mean,
Yeah.
there's a certain point where you know you got to respect the license and not go too nuts. But
yeah. All right. Well, thank you
we'll
very
see.
much.
Enjoy, dude. Have a good one.
You too.
How's it going, man?
Ed, how are you? They made toys of these.
You buy Legos in bulk?
It's wild.
Do I? No, I've got way more than I could ever get rid of. But many people do. It's easy to unload them. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I got about 30 pounds.
This I was gonna say, you sell them by the pound online. They go like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looks like some of them are actually, they make a lot
Or
of,
if you look at it, unload a bunch of stuff quick. There's a place up in Southington called Bricks and Minifigures. Bring them up there, they'll buy everything you got.
where is it?
Southington, Bricks and Minifigures. All they do is buy and sell like used Lego kits. They blow them out. Yeah.
Maybe just a box of miscellaneous stuff though. Lego stuff.
Call them Bricks and Minifigures.
Bricks,
Southern pictures.
BRICS.
Yeah, bricks, like, you know, Lego bricks.
Okay,
And
okay.
minifigures, yeah. That's all they do. Yeah. 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Yeah, man. They're fair too. Good people up there.
Oh, yeah?
What are you asking on this guy?
They're each 65. I do the pair for 100.
Okay. Do you have any idea why they had two different like styles for Mars Attacks? It looks like they both came out at about the same time.
What do you mean? Two different styles?
Well, because this one's like from the movie, and then this is
yeah,
like
all of the all of the packaging. They did that because that's actually his head,
yeah,
and that's her head. So they did unique packaging for, because they only did two this size.
yeah.
And then with the I was
Because
going
then like even on these, it's like
yeah, they just did an awesome job making them, the packaging specific to it. Even with the 6-inch figures.
crazy.
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the dad?
Oh, he's still out. He's still home today.
Oh, okay.
Spend time with my mom.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I've never had this one, so I have no idea how it
Friday,
opens.
Saturday, and he was at home.
Oh,
I did
okay.
at my house.
Oh.
Let me take a break. We'll go with the wife. Before you.
Please say hello.
Yeah, for sure.
How much is it?
Oh, that's
Oh, it's over here? Good.
found something in it today or no?
No, we just
you just
arrived with it now.
Oh, just died. So how are you?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
How much you asking on the Mighty Max stuff?
The spider and that one, I'll do 20 for both.
Let's do. McDonald's, that's why I'm not recognizing it.
Most of the mighty stuff were like 10 each.
I see you later.
Alright, bro. Nice seeing you. I'll see you. Have a good weekend.
It's definitely weird seeing ones that I grew up with because it's like I still remember exactly what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah,
And then the ones I never saw, I'm just like, I have no idea what this is.
Dinosaur. I never saw this. Like smaller ice ones.
Yeah, like this I had no idea how to open. This one I have no idea how to open. I didn't have this one. I don't know if there's a trick to it. There we go. Oh, cool. It's definitely missing something because it would go through here. I'm gonna grab these two.
25. See the other one in front?
Yeah, cool. Same price.
I'll do both for 40. They were a little bigger. I would have kept them, man.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Hit the subscribe button.
Alright, so it's been a few days. I finally remembered that I had to do the pickup portion to show what I actually ended up getting at the flea market. You can disregard these two Beast Wars figures. Those were shown earlier in the video, but I figured I'd show them a little bit closer and actually transformed. I really wish I had looked up his name. I feel like it's Tiger Shark or something like that. Tiger Hawk? I don't remember. It's basically a shark. He's a Fusor, so he's like an eagle mixed with a shark. Hammerhead shark. Hammer shark? Hammer hawk? I'm just workshopping names for him apparently. Anyway, we have a placeholder transmetal rat trap that obviously has seen better days. But until I find a better one, I'll hold on to him. In the background here we have Armadon, who just bit it. He is missing his tail. I am trying to find that on eBay for something in the range of like $12. Success. It's like a little fireable tail. At first I thought it was just straight up something that had like been broken off of the figure, but apparently it's an action feature along with these growing spikes on his back. When you move his arms, when you flex his tail, it fires the missile. The missile, as if I'm British. And it's just missing because of course it is. But this is the beginning of my Primal Rage action figure collection, which is something I did want to collect for because I did enjoy both playing and watching my cousin play Primal Rage back in the day. And that's actually a really good candidate, I think, in today's day and age of fighting games for something to come back. Like, think about how many dinosaurs have been introduced or discovered or decided that they're different than we had back in the day. Like, they kept it pretty simple in Primal Rage to the point where they even used a bunch of, I don't even know what to call it, apes, simians. I feel like you can go super deep with a roster on a Primal Rage 2 in 2025. So, that'd be cool. We do hunt for video games. We found some. Should we have bought them? Probably not. We spent $3 each on these. This game, I could have swore it went for more. It's probably gonna be something I sell at a flea market. Hopefully get like $2 or $3 for it. Lips. Then we had these, which I've already looked these over. They're missing the manuals. But I had a close call in terms of the grossest thing that I thought I had found for a second. So, nothing crazy about Epic Mickey 2. It's actually in really good condition other than the fact that it doesn't have the manual. But when you get to the first Epic Mickey game, I turned it around and I saw this. And I'm immediately like, what is this? It's alcohol pads. But why? Why inside the packaging or the case did someone feel they needed to put an alcohol pad? I'm afraid to touch it, but here I am. It's unopened. I don't, like, how does that even happen? Like, that had to be accidental. I can't imagine someone would be like, yep, that goes in there. Anyway, on to the cooler stuff. Xena, the complete box set, DVD set. This is probably going to remain with me I paid $10 for this. I haven't checked to see if all the discs were there. As we saw in the video, the lady said that her son checked the discs, so I'm hoping that her 10-year-old knows how to count. In today's day and age, who knows? Then we have the X-Men 3 Toy Biz Colossus. Do I like the make of this figure? No, not really. But I would like to have a Colossus shelf eventually, because it is my favorite X-Men, and I did buy this Bendham figure that I'm going to have on a Colossus shelf eventually from Cruisin' Retro a little while ago. And, well, you gotta have the Colossus, or the Colossi, even if they're not ones that you would prefer, like the movie X-Men. Speaking of movie Marvel, we have a Johnny Storm Human Torch. Also, Toy Biz, you can tell by the horrible bald hips. Bald hips. Bald. B-A-L-L-E-D. Not B-A-L-D. Which I don't understand how anyone ever got away with this thinking it was good design. Like, for instance, you can't kick forward. It does not move. This is dumb. Why do we go like this, but you can't move the leg forward without significant effort? Like, why did we, at one point, did Toy Biz, who, like I've said multiple times in the past, I keep Toy Biz figures by my desk because this is one of my favorite figures to play with growing up. Banshee, Toy Biz, 5 POA. You increase the points of articulation and all sense goes out the window. It's wild. Anyways, mini rant over. This video is getting way too long. Let me get rid of the packet because it's disgusting to me. I don't know why it's there. We continued, I guess we already had Mighty Max. Mighty Max was one of those childhood toy lines that I was super into. But then you start letting friends, kids on the street borrow stuff, and you start losing pieces because of course you do. Everything was tiny. The playsets had parts that would come off on their own. But these are so cool. So we have two of the, what are they called? The Doom layers? Doom something? I had the name before I started the video. Doom Zone. We have the Arachnid and the Sting Scorpion, and then the Skull Warrior, which is missing the little eyeball piece. Not anymore, he isn't. And of course, they're all missing Mighty Max himself. He's nowhere to be found. But this has the bad guy that's in there. And the cool thing about these was it was kind of a called shot. I had said when I found the Star Wars mini playsets that I wanted to find Mighty Max stuff, and lo and behold, from multiple vendors, found Mighty Max stuff. So very cool to add these to the collection for less than I was expecting to spend. And that's my thing with toys, is I'm not 100% confident on like what everything should go for unless I'm going to sit there and look it up on eBay. But when you present something to me like this from my childhood and it's something that I would love to have, and the price you say is less than I was expecting you to say, I'm probably going to buy it. Even if it's not a good deal, maybe it's an amazing deal. Who cares? It's part of my nostalgic childhood. Which is a weird thing to say. Part of my nostalgic childhood. Let me get out of this video. I'll be seeing you.